The enemy is preparing a very dangerous flu.
Sinalikolugisa flu kuranenga manda ya kombo.
A very dangerous flu.
Flu ya kombo.
This time it won't start from China,
Zazino inga dotoma nge China.
but it will start from India and Asia.
Idotoma India na Asia.
India, that's seeing a sharp rise in flu-like illnesses driven mainly by the H3N2 strain of influenza A. Now, what began in Delhi NCR is now spread across the country, affecting thousands. A recent survey shows around 70% of households in Delhi, Gurugram, Noida, Faridabad and Ghaziabad report at least one member with high fever, cough, sore throat or fatigue. Experts warn that H3N2 outbreak is more severe than usual, with symptoms often lasting over 10 days. And we hear that
China.
But it will start from India and Asia.
Idotoma India na Asia.
Now, while Korea is worrying about its own bird flu outbreak, other countries in Asia are having their own problems.
Different bird flu strains to the one identified here in Korea have killed several people in China and Vietnam. Our Kwon So-ah has the details.
With more and more people coming down with bird flu in China, authorities there say the virus could infect and kill more ahead of the Lunar New Year holiday. The World Health Organization said this week that the number of confirmed bird flu infections in China is fast approaching 50, with the number of infected people doubling in the space of a week. Officials say 2 people in Shanghai, a patient in his 70s and a medical worker in his 30s, died of the highly pathogenic H3N2 strain of bird flu last Saturday. 2 people in Hong Kong succumbed to the same strain earlier this month. A 52-year-old Vietnamese man died from the H5N1 strain over the weekend, the first bird flu death in the country in 9 months.
Then it will come to South Africa.
Yakonoda South Africa, Africa Chipembe.
So after that,
Ngamura waizo.
the enemy is going to prepare an injection.
Ngamura waizo sinalide larugisa
See an injection with N and 2.
Ndikobona injection inenga waina nomboro ya N na 2.
So this injection is a preparation from the enemy.
So injection kana injection ndi urugisa aswina.
H3N2 symptoms often begin suddenly with chills, fever, body ache and cough. In some children, nausea and diarrhea are also reported. Experts say that the elderly, pregnant women and those with diabetes or heart conditions face higher risk of hospitalization. It is also important to note here that H3N2 is not the same as swine flu. It is a different influenza strain, but with potentially severe outcomes if untreated. Health experts emphasize that prevention is the key. They advise wearing masks in crowded spaces, washing hands, often keeping homes ventilated, and avoiding close contact with sick people. The seasonal flu vaccine is strongly recommended for children, the elderly, and those with chronic illnesses. While most patients recover with rest and hydration, timely medical attention is important for high-risk groups.
We have to pray for ourselves and our family. As to start from Asia and went to India.
India.
The Lord is going to destroy it in the name of Jesus.
Jesus.